January affirmation. As I step into 2022, I receive my blessings and wisdom to manage them. I can accomplish anything. I am growing. I have peace. I love myself. I am a boss babe. So, as y'all know, it's a new year. So, what can be so much better than starting the year with a new hair? Okay. So, I am going to be trying a color I have never tried before when it comes to weaves. So, I'm going to be trying the ash blonde hair. I'm going to try to color my 613 hair to ash blonde hair. So, y'all stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Reme.samson. Okay, so on today's video we are going to be unboxing at the same time reviewing reviewing this hair from Sophia. It's a 613 hair. I have not opened this box yet, so I am going to be giving you my honest reaction on how the hair feel before coloring and after coloring. Y'all, I'm gonna take y'all on this process with me. Okay, so just stay tuned. Alrighty, y'all. So the first thing I'm gonna say is I love the color of this box. I really do. I know it's sort of like wait, I don't know. It's really cute to me. It's really cool. Okay. We have free gift over here, people. We have a wig cap, lashes, some edge control brush, a razor. This was definitely thoughtful. Okay, we love that for us. And yes, I got 24 inches, 3x4 lace frontal wig straight. This is how it feels. Ooh. Okay. For a 613 hair, honestly, this feels so good. I'm not even capping to y'all. For a y'all know how 613 hair really like, sometimes they be feeling like really like, I don't know, strong, rough. I don't know what word to use it, but this is really smooth. And I love that. I love that for us. I love that for me, okay? So let's see how them lace looking like. Okay. I'm excited, y'all. I'm really excited. Cannot wait to transform this hair. I can't. Okay. Let's focus. Let's get to focus. Yes. I love this for this hair is really giving, and I cannot wait to install this hair. All right, guys, so the next step now is that you have to put a warm water in that bowl, okay? Whatever, any kind of plastic bowl, just put a warm water there. And I put in my purple shampoo in there just to tone the hair a little bit, to give the hair some highlights, low lights, so it's not just blank. And you want to make sure you mix that shampoo in the hair so you don't have patches on your hair. All right, so after doing that, the next step is for you to dip in the hair. I usually advise go in with the front of the hair before you put in the ends of the hair. All right, you can leave it soaking for like a minute or two, really doesn't matter. And that's how the hair looks when it's been there. Y'all can actually see the highlights and the low lights in the hair already, and it's gonna tell once the hair is done. Same thing, this is after rinsing. You have to rinse the shampoo off, guys. Okay, don't let me forget that. Rinse that shampoo off and let it dry, and that's how the hair look after that. So I went to the beauty supply store, y'all, and I could not find the dye that everyone on YouTube was using. So I found this cheap one. It was like $3 something from beauty supply store. And it's really magic. That's all I can say. It really worked magic. Because nobody ever used this hair color dye. But I used it and it gave my hair what it needs to give. Okay? For $3? Yes. So in a mixing bowl and brush, y'all just put in your developer and the paste in the tube. You can mix it in the bottle, but I just rather mix my stuff like this. You want to mix it from that to this. See how creamy it's looking? Alrighty, so right after the mixing dye process, you want to apply it to the hair. Alright, y'all can see that the places where I put the dye is not looking like spirals the roots. It's because the hair processes after. So don't be wasting too much dye on this hair. I use like only 2 bucks max on this hair, so don't waste product. And you want to make sure you part the hair in smaller portions, especially the frontal, when you start applying the dye. Don't be heavy-handed though. People use dry tail comb for a reason, but I try to get the whole process fast, so I use the brush. Okay, so after this is how the hair look after the whole Dye has been applied to the hair. Like I said, just 2 boxes of dye. That's it. After rinsing the hair with some cool water and it dried, that's how it look right though. Okay. So, yes, this is the final result. This is how your girl was looking, getting ready to step into the new year. New vibes, you know what I'm saying? Vision board ready to take over this year, okay? Your girl was shot feeling herself. I'm excited. But y'all have an amazing new year. And if this is your first time on here, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all want to see, okay?